recording. Finger. Finger. He's dumb. Get it. Get it. Now he's eating it. She's eating it. Get it. Quit eating dirt. Shut up! Let's go. Get a sticker. Get a sticker. Get a sticker. Get a sticker. Our dogs next door, the dogs next door, they climb on their car and stuff. There's a car in their yard. They've been there for a long time. And they all climb on it. Stop, Seeger. Hi, doggie.
Oh, this ought to be good.
Get him, Seeger. Get him. Get him. Get him. You're the tough guy. Get him. Get him, Seeger. Get him. Get him. Get him.
You're gonna make the owners mad.
Nah. When am I finished?
Now it's whining.
Oh, no. Stop. We're trying to go grass over here. Get up. There's a girl and a boy, and the boy barks and the girl. Ah! You're dumb. The boy and the girl love each other. Seeger loves her. Hi, what's your name?
That was a little too much. I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
Oh, wow. Doggy love.
Dog's gone mad. No.
No, it's doggy love. Get him. One time when our dog, stop. He used to run away, so my mom, she had these bag of dog treats and she'd shake them and then he'd come home. Seeger! Get it, Seeger! Get it! Trying to go get it! No, don't dig! No, what's wrong with you? Well, they got cement and stuff.
No.
Get it, Seeger! Get it! Throw the flip-flop. Sorry, just got.
You dig a deep hole.
He digs all the time.
He digs fast.
Get it! I was so too bad. He can open fences.
He must be a smart dog.
He is. Then he leaves here. Come here.
Legs.
So funny.
Ding-a-ding.
He's got his tongue and stuff.
Play dead, Seeger. Hey, no. Play dead.
You have to roll him on his stomach. I don't think he can do it. Seeger, come here. That's it. Seeger. Come here. Seeger. Sit. Roll over. Here.
Show, get out of the way.
Get down. Seeger, get down. Come on. Get down. Sit down. Sit. You want me to rub your belly? Come on, sit down. Stubborn dog. Here, play dead. Seeger, play dead. Let's see. Yeah, Mama.
So you rub it on me. Hey, get over here.
Hey.
Seeger. Let me get a close up on your face. Hey, no, don't step up there. Hey, look at the other dog. Ooh. What's up?
How is that friggin' knit? Oh. I knew that.
Okay, that's it.